Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to the channel. If you're looking to add subtitles within your DaVinci Resolve project, you're in the right place. I'm going to show you how to do so. So let's dive in. So once we've imported our media, we're going to go down to the bottom over here and make sure that we are in the Edit tab, which is this icon right over here. And we're going to go up to the top of our page. You'll see Media Pool and Effects. Now you want to open Effects, and on the left-hand side, you will have a toolbar, which we want to open. Once we've opened toolbar, you will see Titles. We want to click on Titles, and this will come available. Now, just at the bottom here, you will see Subtitles. If you don't find this, you can use the search bar and type in Subtitles. Let's open this up. Now, with the free version, you only have this one single subtitle. So this is actually not automated. This is all manual input. What we're going to do is click down on it, and we're going to drag it over, and we're going to put it onto our timeline. Now, once we select the subtitle, we can go over to the right-hand side, and if you're not seeing this window, it's the Inspector tab. So it's right on the top over here, and it'll open up all of your options and the properties of your subtitle. Here you can add in what is being said in the video, and you can change the duration here, or if you are zooming out and you can see this and what it looks like, you can just click down here and you can change the duration over here. You can now also go ahead and add customization to the subtitle. So if you click on track, you can change the font, you can change the color, size, line spacing, the font case, the alignment, stroke, the position, shadow, background, and the subtitle settings. So we're going to just keep that as the use project settings. And if you go back to captions, you can add a new caption right over here. So this will act as a separate caption. Now, once you're done and you've typed everything out, make sure you're playing your video back so that the subtitles match the speech within the video. Now, if you want to learn more about DaVinci Resolve, you can jump onto How to Harbor and check out a bunch of awesome content. We'll see you over there, people. Peace out.